I'm going to keep saying it. There really hasn't been a better time to buy sneakers than right now. And we're getting sneakers for retail or less. It's really hard to say no to a good deal. And that's why I had to pick these up today. But before I get into it, I want to give a big shout out to another YouTuber. His name is Big Al Kicks. I'm going to link his information down below. He makes really great sneaker reviews, great sneaker content, great sneaker opinions, ton of OG stuff. Yeah, definitely support him. Check his videos out. Check his channel out. Let's get into the unboxing. First things first, we have a big box here. It has a slide out. You see that? That is art right there. Not really one to talk about boxes because I throw out most of my boxes, but I'm going to keep this one. This is nice. It has some nice artwork. Tekken 8 on the side. If you guys couldn't guess already, this is the Tekken Foamposite one that launched this year in October. And I'm a big Foamposite guy. But these are a little bit different, especially if you are a Tekken fan. I remember playing that franchise as a kid. It might be the best fighting franchise of all time. I'll let you decide. The sneaker itself is actually a lot better in hand than I saw in photos because a few of those details I wasn't expecting. That upper with the lightning bolts, this is all like textured and like raised. I wasn't really expecting that. And then the swoosh near the toe box, this is like a jewel, like an actual piece that was like glued on. So this is nice. You can kind of tell right away. This isn't your like typical Foamposite one. There's definitely some elevated details to the sneaker. They made two sneakers from the Tekken 8 collaboration, the Jin, Kazuya, and there was another one that's a black one. I mean, the one thing that I'm noticing here is they didn't do the carbon shank plate. They actually changed this with like a brush shank plate, which is actually very cool. Still have the penny 1 cent logos in the back heel. They probably should have changed that and done like a Tekken logo or something. Insoles are pretty cool. They feel kind of cheap though. So there is the penny jewel logo on one shoe, and then you have, I guess that's an 8 for Tekken 8 on the other. So that's nice. In terms of sizing, I guess, typically go either true to size or half size up. Sometimes they like to fit a little snug, but over time, if you don't own a pair of foams, they typically end up molding to your feet. You kind of have to just get through that break-in period. I find in the wintertime, I wear a lot of foams because they're just so durable. I have some foams from like over 10, 15 years ago. They're still going strong. I was thinking about this lately in terms of why I collect sneakers. And sometimes it is about the newest, latest, greatest technology. But a lot of the time it's about like chasing nostalgia. And I would say there's no right or wrong answer to why you might be into shoes or into sneakers. For me, I like to chase that childhood time of mine. I like to like go back on times when I couldn't really get a lot of those shoes that I saw. And now that I'm older, I can get them. And this, although this is a new shoe, it does remind me of that kind of childhood time, not just with the Foamposite, which I remember, obviously growing up, but Tekken, that franchise. I mean, I was first introduced to that, I think, on like the big box, like arcade style games, or even like on the PlayStation 1 or something. You go over a friend's house, you're playing that. The shoe kind of did both those things for me. So that's kind of why I wanted to buy it. But yeah, that's it. Really quick video on the Foamposite 1 Tekken 8 collaboration. If you guys like the video and you're not subscribed, definitely hit that button. I have new videos dropping soon. Appreciate your support as always, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.